Hello, welcome back. So another night on the Mini, and tonight I'm going to get this new valance fitted. Just clamped it on roughly where it needs to be. I've marked where I'm going to put some little holes. I've marked the back side of that where the little tab is, so I can drill a couple of holes for plug welds there. Same on that side, and I'll drill through the top of here because it's easier to weld down than it is to weld up. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is pull that off, clean up like the tabs underneath here, clean this top of this surface, drill all these holes, and then I'm going to scuff this up and just etch prime places like inside there where you're never going to get to again. And yeah, that's it. Looks a hell of a lot better with the valance on, doesn't it? So there we go. Right, I'll get on with that anyway. Save rambling on. I'll get on with that, and then I'll show you once it's ready to weld and get it welded up. And yeah, should be good. There's a few little places. Don't know how you can see that. I'm not sure how that's supposed to finish, so I'll probably just clamp that up really tight. Just get a little bit of weld on that edge, maybe, just so it's strong. Like I said from the start, this is not a restoration, it's not a show build. It's nice solid minis, get on the road, have some fun next summer in it. So get on with that, and we'll see what happens. Right, so cleaned all the mating surfaces, shall we call it. I've drilled holes every sort of 2 to 3 inches all the way along there. It should be enough to hold it. Then in the panel, drilled holes along the edge there, and some to where they meet the other things. Just etch prime the inside, just to help a little bit with the old rust. I will probably, once it's all welded in, put a load of seam sealer on the back side of it, probably. So yeah, get it all clamped up. I'll probably start welding in the middle and work out, because it's just a cheap valance. It doesn't fit the best, so it's a case of just clamping, tapping, making it fit as you go along. So yeah, I'll get that in now. Well, get it clamped up and I'll start welding, and then I'll show you what I mean by clamping and tidying up as I go along. Right then, so I've started welding. So as you can see, I've done that one there, that one there, that one there, that one there, and then sort of I move the mould grips along just to hold them tight. And what I do is get the I'll use this hammer, that end of it, and just tap. Tap that up so it's nice and tight to it. And then I don't know how well you can see into the hole I've drilled. It's nice and tight to it now. So then when I put the welder in, start at the bottom and fill the hole up, get a really nice weld. So like that one there, for instance, not the best in the world, but good enough for me and good enough for this job. So yeah, so as you can see, there's like there big gap, so I've got it along nice and tight. So I'll do that now all the way around the corner there, and then I'll come back, start here again, and go all the way around there, and then basically same process in the bottom and the plug welds. So yeah, simple as that really. So you don't need any special tools really. I've got a Super MIG 130. Yeah, it's nothing major welding. So a lot of people are scared of it, but I went on a college course, learned how to do it properly, so not too bad at it. So yeah, I'll carry on along there now, and I'll show you once I've got it all welded up. So yeah, carry on. Right then, valance welded on. So yeah, it's quite successful. All the plug welds along there. Obviously flattened them all back now. Doesn't look the best along here, but I suppose they never do when you're joining 3 panels in one place. And obviously only one of them's new, so they're all new. You get a nice even line, but what I'll probably do is paint a little bit of seam sealer along there just to tidy that up. So see where I've got the plug welds there, they've gone in nice, and them ones there. So yeah, we'll get the seam sealer out now. I'm gonna get a load of it in the crease up at the back behind this panel and along around this corner piece. That's my phone ringing now. Right then, yet again, end of another evening working on the Mini. So I've put seam sealer. It might look a little bit thick there, but it's only thin just to fill in all the little cracks, just so it looks nice and tidy. And I've put a little bit around just over the welds, and then in the back of that I've caked it in all the way along to stop any moisture off the road getting flicked up in there, sitting in the joint. Can't do that now. So yeah, seam sealer, best stuff ever. So I'll leave that to go off now, and the next time I come I'll bring the boot lid, get that put in place, see what that fits like, and then I'm going to paint inside the boot floor and under the car. I don't know if I get both done, but to get at least under the car done, and that done I'll get the boot on, like I said. Yeah, and we're getting there. So all the welding's finally finished at the back, including the new rear valance, and it actually, from about there, actually looks like a Mini now, without boot lid obviously. So you can see my repair in there, which I did last week, so that's fine. I need to get that out, subframe out, give that a good check over. So yeah, that's it for tonight. See you next week. Thanks for watching.